My take on like what's wrong, baby? We need to eat really healthy food so that our bodies can grow. And Jell-O isn't the food that helps your body grow. Jell-O is just a little thing you eat after you eat the important food, okay? We are making the sesame schnitzel sandwich with harissa honey and tartar slaw. I absolutely love using the schnitzel. It's super crunchy. I load it up with tons of sesame seeds. It gives it that nuttiness. And the harissa honey is like next level dynamite. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna make the slaw. I love to use purple cabbage. Slice this in half. And I just run my knife through it as fine as I possibly can go. The acidity really just breaks that cabbage down and tenderizes it. I'm so happy that you're focusing on my hand because the face that I make when I concentrate is so special. I'm just going to season our slaw. 1 cup of mayo. We have 3 tablespoons of chopped dill. I love capers. They just pack such a beautiful salty bite. Israeli pickles, they're so freaking good. You can use whatever pickle you have on hand. Super salty, briny, bright. Against that fried chicken schnitzel, it's just fantastic. A tablespoon of Dijon, fresh lemon juice.
Show them all the beauty they possess inside.
Teaspoon of white wine vinegar, salt and pepper. The sweetest love of all. God damn you, dough. And just start mixing. You want to talk about flavor bomb? OMG. Okay, perfect. And obviously the longer this slaw sits, the more tender it's going to even get. So you don't need to make this right before you make these sandwiches. You can make this in advance. Done. Equal parts harissa honey. We drizzle it on top of the schnitzel. Ah! God damn. Oh yeah. Ooh! Woo! Woo! A really nice thing to do is actually butterfly your chicken before you pound it. Take my parchment paper like so. Usually I just use a rolling pin, but like my mom's got this like fancy like meat like hammer. So I'm just gonna pound it out a little bit. Ah! No, don't. I really want to use this. It's so fun. Yeah. It's like the perfect like way to get out any aggression. Ha! This is the breading part of the schnitzel. I'm using panko. I like to see the sesame seeds in the actual breading of the chicken. I have 4 cracked eggs right here, and then I'm gonna season those as well with salt. Flour, egg, and make sure you really get on the panko. The flour actually makes the breadcrumbs adhere even better. Be careful not to fry your schnitzels too quickly. It's better to do it at a medium heat, medium low. Let it kind of just golden. You want that schnitzel to be nice and golden. Trust me, it's gonna get nice and crisp. Almost ready to flip. So this is a pretty big cutlet, so I like to actually slice it in half. Butter lettuce on the bottom. I put radish down because I love the crunchy crispiness. Then we have harissa honey. Babe, have you had this sandwich?
Nope.
Oh, Ido's like life is about to be changed.
Oh.
You put the slaw on top of that.
Oh.
And this is supposed to be messy, guys.
Get in my belly.
Do you get the heat? The heat and the honey?
Wow. Oh my God. Okay, I'm out of here.
It's good, eh?